In this video, this is the Super Affiliate Network Profit Boosting Bootcamp. Start or expand your online business. Learn how to make money online correctly. In this video, you'll watch this video here. This is actually more like behind the scenes of the bootcamp before you move on to module number 1. So I just want to show you exactly what you're going to be getting yourself into. And by clicking on the link below, you get access to this right away once you discuss and talk with your advisor today. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to this video today. And yes, this is the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. This is an opportunity of a lifetime for you. So you're in the right place at the right time. And I just want to show you exactly what this is all about. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel as well. So let's go ahead and get started here. Now, this is the page you'll kind of watch, you will watch before you move on to module number 1, laying your success foundation. I want to play a little bit of this video right here that it says your dreams just ahead. By clicking on the link below, you get access to this whole information. What I want you to do when you click on the link below that says signing up on your online business, Super Affiliate Network, you put your email address on that page. Then you'll be directed to another page where you'll watch a short video. Watch that short video and get signed up. The next steps will be you'll be in contact with your advisor, and that way you'll start the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. But I just want to show you behind the scenes on each of these video series that I'm doing for you to get a little bit closer exactly what this is all about. Now, this is Your Dreams Just Ahead, the video by Misha Wilson, the CEO of Super Affiliate Network, will be basically giving the information of why this is the best time to start right now, because this is the year for you. So let me play a little bit of this video and then we'll continue on.
I just want to take a minute and commend you for going ahead and getting started and being committed to your future. You know, a lot of people kind of wish and pray that they could have a better life, but very few people actually take action and pull out their credit card and invest in their future. And even if you've done so at just a very small level, you know, $1, $37 or $47 for this actual training program, once again, the simple fact that you have invested in your future says a lot about you. And I want to go ahead and congratulate you for that. Now, secondly, I know that you're, temporarily.
Okay, that's just a little bit of a short video that talks about your dreams are ahead and more information that's around that as well. This video is probably about 24 minutes long, so make sure you watch this video, rewatch it again. I rewatched it again at least 2 or 3 times because I really wanted to get exactly what the information is all about, because I want to be satisfied instead of being unsatisfied. Now, if you're still watching this video right now and you're feeling skeptical, you're not sure about this, you're afraid of being scammed, you're afraid of things may not really work out for you, well, let me show you this as well. This is another video that talks about, if you're feeling skeptical, not sure if this is the right program for you. This is Misha Wilson talking about a little bit about if this is a scam or not. So watch this video as well. I'm only going to show a part of this video, but when you click on the link below, when you sign up and be part of the Super Affiliate Network, you'll get access to the bootcamp right away once you discuss this information with your advisor. So let me go ahead and play just a little bit of this video.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Misha Wilson here, and welcome to this little video. Now, you're watching this video because you're a customer, and maybe you're wondering whether or not this whole thing is the real deal. Maybe you're wondering whether or not, this is just another internet scam. Maybe you've been involved in the past, unfortunately, with some people who have, overpromised and promised the world and underdelivered. And at the end of the day, you've been through the ringer and you haven't necessarily had the best taste left in your mouth. And that's kind of left you, a little bit skeptical, a little bit hesitant, and really more than anything, just wanting to go ahead and make sure you make.
All right, that's just a little bit about the video of feeling skeptical. If this is a scam or not, is this something that's for me? Is this real? Is this something where I can have success? All those questions and all those, thoughts that's in your mind, it's good to have a video that breaks it down to you and make you feel a little bit more ease. And this is the reason why I want to do this preview video to show you exactly the boot camp, and show you that this is real and we are real people to really help you every step of the way. So I can't promise you to make a ton of money because results are not typical at all. This is educational purposes only and a platform for you can take advantage of to have the chance of having really good success. And oh, by the way, let me show you a little bit of some of my results just recently, not just recently, really not that long ago. This is some of the results that I have throughout the program. And this is what you do when you take action, when you believe in yourself, and you go through the boot camp. So it's a boot camp, it's a 15-module boot camp training, and you want to go through that, talk to your advisor, have a positive mindset, go through the training, and take action on the training that you're going to go through. I can't promise you will make any of this. Results are not typical. Results are not typical, but if you put in the hard work, things can happen for you. So I just want to show you that before we continue with this video. So now, are you feeling satisfied? Are you not sure about this? Are you feeling skeptical? So if you have any more questions, click on the link below to get started. Remember, put your email address in there, and then the next page, you watch a short video, and then sign up, then get connected with your advisor for you can get started with this profit boosting bootcamp with the Super Affiliate Network. Now, right here, it says click here to start your training. That's what you would do. You'll watch this video and then watch this video here, because this is something that gets people really, now I wouldn't say confused, but they have extra questions about, man, I don't know if this is real or not. Make sure you watch this video. I'm telling you, watch this video here before you move on, because this can kind of answer a lot of your questions. And also right below this video in the description box, I do have information there for you to get started. I have my email address as well. If you can email me information if you have any questions about the Super Affiliate Network, the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, getting started online marketing, what is online marketing period, any of those type of questions, I'm definitely there for you as well. So I want you to start the training. I want you to have results online. I want you to have the type of success and the freedom that you always wanted to, but you got to start here. This is the foundation here when you begin with the Super Affiliate Network. Click on the link below to get started. I can't wait to see you on the inside. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because I want to continue educating you with the Super Affiliate Network, with the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. Watch my next video. I'm going to talk about the Module 1, laying the foundation, how to unlock the millionaire within, reprogramming your subconscious mind. That's what Module 1 is going to be all about. So I'm just going to give you a preview exactly what the training is about. And this training is real, and this training is here to help you succeed each and every single time. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. But more importantly, click on the link below. Right below this video, there's a link there. Do not miss that at all. Click there, sign up, get started, get plugged in, and we'll see you on the inside. I'm Adam Shelton. I'll see you on the next video.